The shoulder pain program. So many people come in to our clinic with shoulder pain, so we've decided to put it in a very effective program for you all. It's 2 days a week of training, and the main focus is actually on upper body mobility, which can be a little bit of a plot twist because people with shoulder pain often think that the complete issue is there, but no, we actually have to be able to be mobile through the upper back as well to allow our shoulder blades to slide across without any issues. So upper back mobility, our external rotation is super important as well, just to offset any workplace postures like being at a computer, having our arms out in front of us. And then of course, technique awareness, because most people just don't really know how to train properly using their shoulder blades in the right positions, and then that can lead to injury as well.
Yeah, so really building up that mid and upper back musculature while you're training and recruiting all your back muscles during your pressing movements. That's really important to ensure that our shoulder is fixed and stable while we're going through the movement. So with this program, we're going to be finishing up with dumbbell pressing work. Dumbbell pressing allows us to have that free rein with the handle, so we don't need to be fixed into a pronated position. We are using more of a neutral to 45-degree with our dumbbells. And once we have finished or mastered these movement patterns pain-free, you'll then qualify for one of our other programs. So we can then progress to whether it be hypertrophy, power building, etc., pain-free. So that's the most important part about this program. Moving well, pain-free, to then progress to eventually, hopefully, a bench press.
That's right. So no cortisone needed, no stretching, no surgery. Just get strong, practice these movement patterns, and you'll be back on the bench press in no time, if that's one of your goals. But you'll definitely be pain-free.